Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Python 3. 8 or newer and pip are installed, and you have MySQL user, password, host, port, plus Phpmyadmin access. Once done, open a terminal and run pip install MySQL connector Python. This provides a pure Python client. Alternatively, pip install Phpmysql for a compatible driver. Make sure to choose the driver that matches your environment. Finally, create a small test folder and file so you can write and run the connection code immediately. Now you write the connection script. Import MySQL connector or Phpmysql, then define a config dict with host, user, password, database, and port. Use a try/except block to catch errors and open a connection object. Once connected, create a cursor and execute a simple query like select one or show databases to verify access. Make sure to call cursor, close, and connection, close, in a finally block so resources are released. If you need persistent use, wrap this in a helper function. Finish by ensuring your Python code and Phpmyadmin reference the same database and user settings. Consistency prevents permission issues. If connection is refused, check MySQL bind address and user host, % versus localhost, and grant proper privileges from Phpmyadmin or with grant statements. For remote servers, make sure to use SSL parameters or an SSH tunnel to protect credentials. One troubleshooting tip: enable error printing and test with MySQL client. Errors like access denied usually point to user/host or password mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.